Hello friends, hope you are doing great. And today is Wednesday, so tomorrow is expiry. So as you all know, the market was very tricky today, and it was falling. It was going down like anything, and it has actually touched its 2 months low. It went very near to 15,000. For 550, and it actually broke on 550, and it went near 15,000 525. So let me show the chart later. And now, and actually when in the morning I actually sold puts in a huge quantities. So I sold 15,600, 15,650 puts and all. So in the morning I booked 16,000 loss. Okay, in morning I sold. In morning I booked 16,000 loss, and then as you can see, the same position which I am having here gave me losses. As you can see, the average price and the last trading price, and the loss is near 24,000. But it's not the actual loss. When I booked the loss, it was very near to 33,000. And as you can see, I made this much trade, and this trade, which is 15,500 put option, gave me nearly 24,000 profit. So that helped me very much to recover the losses I made. So I was so frustrated in the morning that I lost nearly 3% of my capital, which is my maybe a 1.5 week profit. So plus charges, it may be around 18,000. So I was so frustrated and I don't know what to do. Then I sold calls, but it didn't work. And then when the European markets were nearly 1% up. So the market went, our market also tried to recover. So then I sold calls aggressively. Let me show the sequence of trades I made. Just a minute. So yeah, so first in the morning I sold 15,600 PE, and it's a hedged position. So I sold it with 15,000. I think 450. Yeah, it's 450 put option. This combined gave me average loss of around 16,000. So this was the loss that I booked in the morning, and then later I made a straddle uh, that didn't actually work. I sold 15,700, 15,750, and 15,800 calls and puts. So that didn't work. So then when the European market opened, I again sold when Nifty. This thing I did when Nifty was trading around 15,550. So I sold 15,500 PE, and it's a hedged position. I sold it with 15,350 puts. Yeah, that's a buy leg, and this is a sell leg. So this gave me an average profit of around 20. No, it's actually, yeah, 20,000. And then after this thing I sold 15,600 PE with 15,450 PE again. So then I made some losses, and this was reduced to near 15k, and I sold this. So it again reduced my profit from totally, I'm just saying the buy leg, 32k to near 24k. That's what we are seeing in my portfolio. So this is what I did. I'll just go back to my kite. So this is the losses I made. Actually this is what do you say, 8,000 profit. So I booked the loss at 32,000. It's now at 24,000. Hopefully I'll be getting some profits tomorrow. Just a minute. This 24 plus 10k, it's 14,000 loss, nearly 14,000 loss. But the losses, yeah, that's 13,500. That loss will be reduced to 6,400. So that means that I may get a profit of 10,000 rupees. So looking at the sectors, most of the sectors were down today. uh, yeah, and banks were drastically down. I wouldn't comment on that. HDFC fell like anything, and I think ICIC is the only bank that didn't fall much. But even though it is very low from its day's high. So let me show the chart with you. As you can see, this is a drastic downward move. So yeah, just a minute. So this is the day's low. As you can see, it's 15,520. It's the 2 months low, I guess. So Nifty was here. This is the opening, and it fell. The first candle itself is a big fall, and then it started. It was falling like anything. So it came here, and I was expecting. I have drawn a trend line. So let me show you that. This is the trend line I have drawn. So I expected that it shouldn't break the. Let me change to 5 minutes chart. Yeah, yeah. When Nifty broke this thing, sorry. Yeah, when Nifty broke this, I booked my losses. Here I booked my losses. Then when Nifty started consolidating in this range, I sold puts again. I sold 15,500 put and 15,550 put. That gave me very good profit. So I was able to recover my losses. As of now, I'm at a realized profit of around 7,000 after the charges. I placed nearly 90 orders today, so I may get a net realized takeaway profit of maybe 5,000 or 6,000, not more than that. Maybe 5,000, not more than that, because 100 orders sum up to nearly 2,000 as brokerage and other charges. Maybe I may get 4,000. That wouldn't be a surprise for me, but that's okay. But I still recovered my losses. That's a very good thing, right? So that's what happened today, and hope I'll get more profits tomorrow. Thank you, guys.